Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Kulkarni and I am going to present seminar on Teradata. So we see basically what is Teradata. Teradata is one of the popular relational database management system and it is mainly developed for the large scale data warehousing applications, and it achieves the concept of parallelism, and it is developed by the company Teradata itself. Then, what is the features of Teradata? There is four main features of Teradata. First one is unlimited parallelism. It uses the massively parallel processing architecture. Second one is shared nothing architecture. It is having the separate access module processors, and it disk associated with the AMPs are work independently, so they cannot share the data with other. Third one is linear scalability. It is having the high scalable. It scale up to the 2048 nodes. Then fourth one is SQL. Teradata supports the SQL language to get the stored data or to interact with our tables. Then next one is installation of Teradata. To install Teradata, we have to download VMware Workstation, and in that we have to create the virtual machine TDA Express 14.0. It requires the RAM only of 2 GB, etc. And then we can start our Teradata application. Then Teradata architecture. Teradata architecture having the four main components. First one is parsing engine. Second one is message passing layer. Third one is AMP, that is access module processors. And last one is vdisk, means our nodes. Here nodes, vdisk nodes. It is the basic unit in Teradata system. It consists of the operating system, CPU, memory, and own copy of Teradata and disk space. Then parsing engine. Parsing engine is responsible for receiving the queries from the client, and it executes it work on the execution plan. Then message passing layer. It is the main component in Teradata system. It receives the execution plan from parsing engine and sends to AMP, and similarly it receives the result from the AMP and sends to parsing engine. Then next one is access module processor. Access module processor work as a virtual processor. It stores and retrieves data. It can perform type conversion, aggregation, filter, sorting, and stores the data in disk associated with them. Then then we are moving to the Teradata relational database. It is having the basic concept, that is table, primary key, etc. So we are moving directly to the Teradata data types. There are some 11 data types in Teradata, with according to their some length bytes. For example, byte int, small int, integer, big int, decimal, numeric, float, character, varchar, date, time, etc. Then there are three main types of tables. As we have know, in RDBMS there is only one type of table. So for in Teradata, first one is permanent table. It is our default RDBMS table. It simply stores and inserted the data. And second one is global temporary table. It is a temporary table. We can call it as a temporary table. It is deleted at the end of a user session. Then next one is derived table. Derived table holds the intermediate result in a query. It is the lifetime of this table in which they are created, used, and dropped. Then we are moving to the some syntax of the Teradata. Here first one is our syntax, and last one is our example according to that. The syntax shows that it is having first line create in bracket set or multi-set table name, table options, then column definition, then index definition. In after create, set and multi-set. Set means it does not stores the duplicate data, and multi-set set means it stores the duplicate data. Then table options giving the option like fallback, etc. Then third one is our column definition. Column definition means our total column name, what is data type requirement for that, etc. And index definition means whether it is primary index, secondary index, or partial primary index. Then we are moving to the syntax, example. Create set a table. Our table name is employee, and our table option is fallback. Then in bracket, in curl bracket, employee number, first name, last name, date of birth, join date, and department. This is our column definition. This is our column names. And last one, unique primary index, in bracket employee number. It is our index definition. It uses the primary index for the employee number column definition. That's it. For further queries, you can ask the question. Thank you.